Hello, so I'm going to show you how you can install Webuzo panel on VPS Ubuntu. So, and we are going to use Cotambo. So I'm using Cotambo VPS, and I have my Webuzo panel serial number here. So I bought it from Webuzo. And if you want to buy a Webuzo panel, it will cost you $2.5 per month. So you can just use it and give it a try. So, and yeah, I have the requirement for installation, and this is my Cotambo server. So this is my server. I'm going to reinstall the server so that I will have clean server. So under this reinstall, just click on it. So we are going to reinstall the VPS. So here we have a configuration, and we are going to use this Ubuntu 24.04, so which is the latest one, and it is free. So if you want to install with cpanel, you are probably going to pay for cpanel. But since we have Webuzo panel, so we are going to choose this one. So yeah, I'm going to choose your server password, and let me just generate password. So after that, make sure you copy the password. So we are going to use this password to log in into our server. So after that, click on this install. So no need to select any applications. Just click on install. The reinstallation process will start immediately. Just click on OK. So after 5 minutes, so we are going to check our server. So if you go to this VPS control, so you can see the server is ready. So what we are going to do now is to take this. This is the server IP, and we have root, which is the username, with our password. So we are going to use them to log in into the server. So yeah, I'm using this Bitvars SSH client. You can install Bitvars or use another one. But the most important thing is just for you to know where to put your detail. So here we have the host, and we have the username. The host is your IP address, while the username is root. But let's put the host. So copy your server IP, add it under host. So another thing you are going to get is your password, because it's going to ask you for password, and this is my password. So after that, after adding your IP and the username, click on login, accept and save. Add your server password and click on OK. So after that, go to this new terminal console, click on it. So it will open the terminal. Just type clear to clear this thing. So you are going to have something like this. So when you open your browser, search for how to install this Webuzo on Ubuntu. Just click on this first one. So it will open this place. So scroll down. What you have to do is just to copy this command. Copy from here to here. Copy. So but you can still run it one after the other. But if you don't want to run them one after the other, you can just copy everything at once. So yeah, right click to paste. So after that, click on enter. So now type password, click enter. Type the same password, click enter. So it will install the installation. It's going to take maybe some minutes before everything is done. Thank you for choosing Webuzo. So we are done with the installation. So what you have to do is just to copy this URL, this. Just open your browser and type it. So go to advanced, click on proceed. So here you write root. So you are going to add your password. So after that, you click on login. This is Webuzo cPanel dashboard, and we have this. This is our server statistics. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.